Abolia shongun nu sodit nu da ituntere la buton Bishop Okabe kese potangita kin erasa kaisare kolap kalo kosemero loko kateta model primary school. Emmanuel Omoding Okabe loda itege aramunyel tengin ngese abuelip aboliak araunuda topoloritos nu ipoke show kanu aitolot aboliangin ejok.
I remember a long time ago, Papa Okabe had a connection with some players of Premier League in UK. And I told my brother we should follow up that network. Because when we bring those Premier League guys, the ex-Premier League players, Serene, they can identify some of these young boys here. Or they can even sponsor the whole league. Chairman Fufa, next year we want sponsors for Okabe Foundation Cup, Memorial Cup. We want sponsors.
John Odongo, Apollo Cholong, Local North East Region Football Association, Ngesida Abuilip, Akutaklu Munye late, Alemar Kotomas Napeta, no Aswam Echamusana.
By the end of the day, we need to speak to managers and speak to coaches. Because managers can destroy also a game. Because the players inside will look at the emotions of the coach and the manager out. And when the manager they tell, what about me in the pitch? It becomes a problem. So I want to request us to take this tournament as something that is different for us. Hold it together. I saw the chairman saying it will be annually, which I know. As long as a member of parliament, the tournament will be there.
Etelekara koto mabulia kangin kese ponyo ai kopakin ai nanakineta nuegitigita koto ma angeset na abulia show.
Those who participate in quarterfinals, they will get also jerseys, they will get balls, and they go. Semi-finals, they will also get jerseys and maybe 4 balls or 5 balls. Finals, the winner, we have agreed to give at least 2 million.
Gabriel Esiku, Kanuka TV East, Koserere District.